Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable the low latency mode on your JBL Wave Flex. First of all, you have to select your buds from the JBL headphones application, and then you have to scroll down until you find Smart Audio and Video. Tap on the switcher to activate this feature. Now just wait a little bit. And to get the low latency mode, we have to select the video mode. Now we have to wait one more time. And when you click on this information icon, you will also get the same information, that the video mode improving the lip sync performance. So it gave us the low latency mode. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.